Look closely at the reflection in this eye. That rapid blur of text represents the immediate output of a modern chatbot drafting a professional email. It appears highly capable until you ask for something specific to your life. If you ask that same AI when your next coffee chat is scheduled, it fails. It simply doesn't have access to your personal information. Large language models at this level have two distinct limitations. They are entirely passive, waiting for your specific instructions, and they are cut off from external data clusters, like your private calendar or internal company networks. Because the AI relies on you for every instruction and cannot see outside data, you remain responsible. You are effectively micromanaging the process. To increase utility, we move to level 2, AI workflows. Here, a human programmer builds a rigid step-by-step path, called control logic, that connects the AI to specific tools. This strict linear path to a database is retrieval augmented generation, or RAG. It forces the AI to look up external data. But workflows are fragile. Unmapped requests, like asking for weather instead of a calendar, strike the rigid pathway and the connection severs. When these workflows hit a dead end, a human must intervene. You have to manually rewrite the prompt or adjust the sequence to get the desired result. Even a workflow with 1,000 steps is limited by this logic. As long as a human is the ultimate decision maker, the system cannot scale to handle unpredictable tasks. The structural shift at level 3 is significant. In this organizational chart, the language model replaces the human operator as the central decision maker. This is the core of an AI agent. Agents use the React framework, which begins with reasoning. The agent evaluates the final goal and determines the most efficient approach before taking any action. The second pillar is acting. The agent autonomously uses external applications, like searching a database or drafting a document, to execute the plan it just developed. This feedback loop represents iteration. The agent checks its own work against your criteria and repeats the cycle to correct errors without needing a human to rewrite the prompt. By combining reasoning, tool use, and self-correction, the AI handles open-ended problems on its own. It moves beyond following a script to achieving an objective. Processing the chaotic data in this high-speed mountain footage is a complex task. If you tell an AI vision agent to identify a skier within hours of raw video, it begins by defining its own search criteria. The agent reasons that a skier is a person on skis moving through snow. It then autonomously scrubs the footage and tags the exact moments the subject appears. Before these autonomous agents, a human analyst had to review the footage frame by frame, manually identifying and tagging every relevant clip through hours of effort. We are seeing the multi-step process of prompt engineering collapsing. Complex instructions are being replaced by direct goal delegation. This changes the human role from operator to manager.